In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure email in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the full process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll have your email connected and ready to use directly inside Zoho CRM. This will let you send and receive messages without leaving the app. And it also helps you keep all your communication tied to your leads and contacts automatically. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account and that you have the right permissions to change email settings. From the top navigation bar, look towards the upper right corner for the setup icon, which looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the main setup area, where you can configure different parts of your CRM. On the setup page, find the section labeled Channels. Under Channels, click on Email. This is where Zoho CRM manages all email-related options. Once that page loads, you'll see an email configuration area. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Next, Zoho will ask you to choose your email provider. Here you can pick Gmail, Office 365, Outlook, or if you're using another service, choose the option labeled Other Mail. Other Mail is typically used when you want to connect using IMAP with a provider that isn't listed. Once you've chosen your provider, you'll be asked about the connection protocol. Select IMAP. IMAP is recommended because it keeps your messages in sync across devices and between your email client and Zoho CRM. This means if you read or send an email in Zoho, the change will also show up in your regular inbox. After selecting IMAP, click on Authenticate. A new window will open where you log into your email account with your usual credentials. Carefully complete the login and then click Allow or Accept to grant Zoho CRM permission to access your mailbox. This is required so Zoho can read and send emails on your behalf. Once the authentication is successful, you'll need to choose your email sharing permissions. You can set this to private, which keeps your emails visible only to you, public, which shares them with your team, or custom, which lets you define more specific visibility rules. Pick the option that best matches your organization's privacy and collaboration needs. When you're happy with your settings, scroll down if needed and click Save. Zoho CRM will apply your configuration, and your email will now be connected and ready to use from within the CRM.